Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been 12 weeks of rotating this hairstyle, like guys, and I could keep my mini twist in for this long. I'm going to show you guys my hair in a bit. It's kind of a mess. I'm actually not going to take it down today. I just want to come up here and show you guys what my hair is looking like and how it has been so far. So let's get right into this. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys what my hair is looking like. So this is how I've been protecting my hair, guys. So each time I wrap my hair up, I use this silk scarf to like cover up my bone like this, then before using my scrunchie on it. So this helps my hair to retain moisture, especially at the end. So while I go out, even though the rest of my hair are getting dry, this part is always moisturized, it's always damp, and I love it, guys. I love it. So this is the silk scarf that I've been using to seal that ends up, and then my scrunchie. If you can see this, the ends of my hair are looking soft, no dryness at all. So sealing my ends with that silk scarf I just showed you guys has been the best thing for me ever. So guys, I want you to try it out. You can also use a ribbon to cover it up. The last time I retwisted, I had to braid the roots of my hair. So I know that taking down this hair is going to be quite a challenge. If you have ever started your mini twist by braiding the roots of your hair, you know what challenge that could be, especially when the twist is old and it's becoming to form locks. I got questions that if my hair was locked, but no, my hair is not locked. You guys just see what a mess my hair. I'm going to turn, and show you guys what it actually looks like behind. So this is what my hair is looking like behind. Honestly, I didn't even know that it was this rough. So I think the last time I retwisted my hair was around 2 or 3 weeks. I never knew it was looking this rough, but it felt great while touching it. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place. Look at my edges, like everywhere is just looking matted together. Look, you can see, guys, you can see. Look at this, look at this. This hair has already intertwined with this other part. You can see, guys, you can see. Taking this down is not going to be a day's job. Like, I'm going to take my time to go over this hair one by one, like take my time to bring down this mini twist. So I've been washing my hair mini twist like this for 12 good weeks, and is the style boring? How good. If I say it's not boring now, I'll be telling a big lie here. Like, guys, carrying this hairstyle for good 12 weeks is boring. I got a lot of comments about my hair. Some people love the fact that I could switch it up however I want. I could style it in different styles. So for styling is a great plus because you can form different styles with your mini twists. You can form different styles. Then also another pro to carrying mini twists for this long is the fact that you don't think about your hair. When we always say leave your hair alone, leave your hair alone, this is what it actually means, because apart from washing and maybe retwisting, for the most part of it, my hair is intact. Like, my hair is just there. I don't touch it, I don't manipulate. So leaving it alone means that I'm retaining length, because I'm not all in my hair every week like I used to. So for the most part, leaving my hair alone. Then another pro to this would be the fact that my products are lasting long for me, because I'm heavy-handed with product. Like, I don't like to be stingy with my products, so I like to go all out with using my product. But when your hair is out, that is, your hair is loose, you use more products than when your hair is in mini twist or braids or whatever. So my product has lasted me longer while in this mini twist.
So guys, another pro to this would be the fact that mini twist is easy to manage, and also because it's a low manipulative hairstyle, you can easily retain a lot of length from doing mini twist.
As for the cons, the ones that I know that is more for me is the fact that it's boring. Like, I've always been doing twists, but you guys know that I love to do chunky twists or medium-sized twists. But for mini twists like this, I think this is my first time of going straight, 3 months challenge like this. Overall, my hair is feeling good. Like, I feel like my hair has gotten fuller. I just need to lose this hair, like take down this hair, then I will know the changes that my hair has accrued. So that is it, guys. I just decided to give you guys this update because I know I promised you guys that I was going to be giving you a bi-weekly updates like that, but I think at about the first month I stopped. So this is my mini twist update, 12 weeks. So I've been doing retwisting, like I said, in between about 3 times or 4 times if I'm not mistaken, but aside from that, nothing.
So don't forget, another cons to this mini twist is the fact that if you take it for a long period of time, they are going to marry each other. Like, your hair will form locks. So if you're the type that don't like your hair to lock up on each other, then you don't want to carry mini twists for a long period of time. Otherwise, you see all those tangles at the roots, they are breakage waiting to happen.
If you can notice, my front hair, some parts are shorter. See. So I'm going to give you guys the full gist of why this is like this and this is like this. It's a long story, guys. It's a long story. So I'm going to talk about that in another video and show you guys how much of hair I chopped off. Like, some parts of my hair were not doing so well, so I just had to cut them off. And I think it really helped because the ends of my hair generally are looking bouncy and thicker, probably because of the amount of hair I chopped off. I didn't capture that on video, like I said, but I have a video of one that I kind of captured, so I'm going to show you guys in another video. So that is all for my mini twist 12 weeks update, you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video where I'll be taking this down. Like, I'm going to be taking this down with so much grace, so much patience. So it's not enough to go 3 months, 4 months with your protective hairstyle. It is the taking down process. That is where you know if you have done a good job or not. And of course, I'm going to bring you guys along so that you can see the full, picture of what we've been doing for the past 3 months. And you be the judge. And for those of you that went on with me on this challenge, please, please, please let me know what your update is like. I mean, how it has been these past weeks, and let me know in the comment section what are your challenges, what are the things that you've noticed, and I will be glad to see those comments coming in. Please don't forget to like this video, share it, give this video a thumbs up, share this video, comment in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.